Super duper Christmas socks. Squishy, squishy. Thumbs up and subscribe to Laycraft to join the fun. Which one is the best choice for you? Yep, let's totally pick this one. Our super cool Christmas tree. So cute. Squishy, squishy. Which one is it gonna be? It's this one. Oh my goodness, that apple is the cutest ever. This is super fun to squeeze and squish. Drum roll, please. It's time for this surprise box. Gingerbread man cookies. This is super squishy. Let's open this box now. Oh my god. Look at this super cute Hello Kitty strawberry glove. This super cool Christmas surprise box. Squishy, squishy. Oh my god, a capybara striped candy cane. So squishy and satisfying. Wow, we totally finished unboxing all 9 of the mystery Christmas surprises. Now, let's look back and comment which one you liked best. Capybara Snowman, Candy King, Snowman, Christmas Socks, a Hello Kitty Strawberry Glove, Gingerbread, an apple, Christmas present box, Christmas tree. Yeah, these presents are totally awesome. See ya later, alligator. Don't forget to like and join the Laycraft squad. Peekaboo.